Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing a nighttime after dark clean with me. I am going to be posting all of the songs along the bottom there, so if you guys like what you hear, make sure you check it out. I want you guys to be able to listen to the same type of music I'm listening to when you are getting your cleaning motivation. I am just straightening up the playroom. The kids are in bed, so this is my time to be able to clean this room for once and for all this day, so they can wake up and I can wake up to a clean room. I am also going to fix one of my quotes that you will see in the entryway. I love this quote because it means a lot for me to have anyone that comes into my house to feel welcomed. Now on to the kitchen. I'm going to clean up the remaining dishes. There aren't too many, but I'm going to fill up the dishwasher. I like to do this in the evening and start the dishwasher at night, so in the morning I can unload it. So on this particular night, my husband had to work, so I did take out, and I didn't have a big mess, but I am just going to clean everything up and get it taken care of. Like I said, I want to wake up to a clean kitchen. If you guys want some more cleaning motivation, don't forget to check out my playlist in the description box. It is hours and hours of cleaning motivation and music to get you guys going all day long. There is my Ruby girl. She is practically my shadow. This was filmed before I had her groove. She is completely shaved down now. She's looking definitely naked. So make sure y'all follow me on my Instagram so you guys can see an updated picture of my girl. So I film a lot of my videos a week or so in advance. I will let you know if it's a pretty current one, but this one in particular I did last week, and I have already started taking her down the majority of our Christmas. My son was very unhappy with that, so you still see some Christmas stuff up, but the next video, the majority of it will be gone. You guys, like I've mentioned before, I like to get a load started every single night. If I'm going to be up for a while, I'll go ahead and run it. But if not, I'll just fill up the washer and get it ready to start first thing in the morning. I'm using the Purex right now, and honestly, I love it. It cuts through funk in clothes better than anything I have tried in a long time. So this is my go-to right now, and it's cheaper. So hello to that. And then I'm using this Snuggle Fresh. We have lots of boys in the house and they get yucky, and it is really important to have some strong odor control. This is still my favorite scent. I have purchased about 5 bottles of this, so I'm going to put this in the boys' bathroom when I get in there and start cleaning. Now onto the boys' bathroom. I like to just organize all of their toothbrushes and toothpaste. For some reason they cannot keep that organized. And then I'm just going to take some warm water and start rinsing some of the toothpaste off of the sink and counter.
Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way. If you'd stay here, it'd be more than okay. Cause there's nothing that can stand in our way.
So I'm just gonna scrub the toilet out a little bit. I did not put cleaner in it. I had just done it the day before, and so I wasn't going to worry about putting more cleaner, but I am going to clean around the toilet bowl because, you know, boys. But I just want to let you know, if you are going to clean your bathroom, sometimes I feel like I need to put cleaner in it every single day, and I don't think you need to. I think once or twice a week you're good, and then just a quick little run around with the brush inside there, and then some good, you know, Clorox wipes. I'm using the PDI wipes from the hospital. I've got my gloves on, and just a nice wipe down, and we are good. Now on to the mounds of laundry. I've mentioned this in other videos. If you've been with me for a while, leave in the comments below a heart if you guys have been with me for a while. Leave a star if you're new, and let me know that you're new, because I want to say hello and I want to welcome you and just thank you so much for you being here. But I am doing the mounds of laundry. Like I said in my other videos, I always do the boys' room before I go to bed, or before they go to bed. I think they sleep better in a clean room. So on my nights, my husband and I switch nights. On my nights, I will always put away their clothes and clean up their room because I want it spotless. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a tip. If you guys are not really feeling very motivated to do anything, and I'm going to talk specifically about cleaning, but this can go for anything in your life, create some sort of playlist. I know I've mentioned this in other videos. Like, if I'm not feeling motivated to clean, it doesn't matter when, I will start a playlist, and it's like my brain kicks in and it's what I want to do. And honestly, a lot of time motivation just doesn't kick in, and you can't wait around for it. So you got to get up and get moving regardless. So that's a little brain hack to get things done. Create a playlist, and you will be amazed. You will be amazed how much you can get done. When I'm putting Noah's clothes away, I like to put all of his red and blue shirts in the front. Those are his school shirts, and that helps him get himself dressed in the morning. Just one little way that he can feel like he's doing something, like he's a big boy, and he's helping me out. I wanted to add, if you guys ask or wonder, the sheets are superhero sheets, and they are from Target. I think they were $25 for a twin set.
I was so sure of our love. I never thought of any reason.
Now I'm going to give the house a good vacuuming at the end of the day. This is a good time to do it because no more crumbs will be on the floor for a couple of hours. So I like to do this in the evenings. I'm not perfect, and this doesn't always happen every evening, but I definitely do try. And you know what, honestly, as long as your effort is there and you try, then mama, give yourself a pat on the back because you are doing an amazing job.
Slow. We ended up just like before. So take it easy. and you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head. It's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low. Take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy.
I just wanted to show you guys what my snowman tree looked like lit up at night. I just love it so much. This tree is really special to me because it has all of our family ornaments on it. The last room I am going to do in this nighttime power hour, clean with me, relaxing, cleaning, whatever you want to call it, is the older boys' room. I put the other kiddos to bed. Obviously, I didn't show that, but that's mom life. You've got to stop and do what you've got to do. But I put them to bed, and I am now putting away some clothes for the older boys. They can do this on their own. As you can see, they're helping me. But if I want it done fast, because I'm ready for them to go to bed as well, I will just hop in here real quick and help them out.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up before you go. If you did enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I am so thankful for you guys, and I hope this gave you some serious cleaning motivation to get some stuff done. Remember, as long as the effort is there, give yourself some grace. You are doing an amazing job. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.